Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Soursop Congo vet. So we're using frozen pigeon peas to make this bean soup, whatever you want to call it. It's called Soursop. Okay, so I have over here 16 ounces of frozen peas, and this is 2 liters of water. I am also going to add some peas that I harvested in Florida, about 2 cups of that. And we're gonna cook this peas with scallion, cloves, and a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, and bring it to a boil. Let it cook for about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. So after your beans is cooked, make sure you set some to the side if you like it that way, but if you don't, you can just blend everything together. So go ahead and blend, let it cool down a little bit, and go ahead and blend everything together until it's very smooth. Once everything is blended, we're of course going to strain it with a strainer. Yes, we are. So with the strainer, go ahead and strain it. There's gonna be a lot of pulp with this. This is why I was straining it. If I was using my other blender, which I do not have right now, currently it's being fixed, I would have used it. You would need a strainer, but because we're using this blender Ninja, it's great, but you still need to strain it a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and season this and then let it cook for another 20 minutes. So go ahead and add your seasonings. We're using adobo, Goya, some knorr seasoning, a chicken bouillon cube, some black pepper, fresh thyme, fresh parsley, and half of a red bell pepper, cloves, and of course scotch bonnet pepper. If you like your stuff spicy, you know me, I'm a spicy girl. I like a little hot, I like a little heat in my stuff because I bring heat wherever I go. Anyways, after you've added all of that stuff in there, go ahead on medium-high heat to bring it to a boil, cover it. See, this is what I meant when I said put some peas to the side, because I like some peas in my pea soup when I'm it just makes it different. It's better like that, but that's optional. So when it's boiled, after 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add a can of coconut milk. That's also optional. If you don't like coconut milk, you can skip that. I just want to add flavor. You know me, I like flavors, I like flavors. So yes, go ahead and add your coconut milk or creamed coconut and let it boil, cook for another 10 minutes, and voila. So I tasted my stuff and I guess it wasn't all the way there, so I'm like, alright, let me just add one of that to it. So I added one. Yes, plus 2 teaspoons of the knorr and 1 teaspoon of the Goya, and then that's that. Yeah, and the coconut milk, and then that's it. That's really it. So easy, right? So go ahead and let it boil. Let that melt. And you guys, this is the final product. Eat it, of course, with rice or maimule, however you like it. Or you can just have it like that, honestly. It's super delicious, super easy, super quick. I hope you guys like this quick video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more. Thank you.